Hello everyone, I hope you're all keeping well. So I'm going to explain the project that we are going to do for week 2, but because of my delay, so I'm going to put the deadline for week 2 and 3 for next week. So we are going to look at the GraphWorks software, which we managed to install last week, and we are going to look at a new software. It is called Kepserver and the version is EX6. I show you in a minute how you're going to download it. We have 3 tasks to complete for this week and also week 2 and week 3. So the first one, I want you to create a board that can spin or rotate around its center, and then I want to have a lift that can go up and down in a house, and also a drill, and this drill will be based on the project that we have done last semester. So we are going to look at that drill, and we are going to animate the part of that drill that moves from up to down without rotating the drilling part. This is particularly important because you're going to use what you learned last week, which was to connect the push button and control some action or dynamic with pressing that button. This time you're going to move the drilling part by pressing the push button. Now for downloading the GraphWorks, I'm confident that you all have installed it and it is up running on your computers. For the Kepware, what you need to do is to go to the website. It's called Kepware.com, which I'm going to show here. So this is the website. So it is Kepware.com. And when you go on product, you can click on Kepserver6 and then click on the download free demo. When you click on download free demo, there will be a part to fill up. Once you complete this, I suggest you use your full name and email address that is for TUDublin, and then for the business phone will be your mobile phone number, and company will be the school, and the job category and everything. Press on student and also education for them. When you have your address and everything in place, then you can press the submit, and then you have access to the icon for download. When you download it, you have the software open. I show it in my older laptop. So you have the software open. So if you look at the top of that, this is Kepserver EX6. Now it will be blank. Here you see my name, but for you it will be a blank page open up, and then what you need to do is you need to create a new channel. So I want to actually do that from scratch, so I show everyone what to do. So let me change, that is a no. Now this is how you would see it. Now if you click on the connectivity, and then you can click here and add a channel. This channel, because we are using it based on simulation, we are going to use simulation related under S, and as you can see, it says simulator. So you click that one, and then we press next, and here you put a name that can be identified later on when you open it from GraphWorks. So it is important to have a name that you can easily understand that is yours, that you created. So I put my own name, and I'm just calling it so my test. All right, now you leave the rest as default, you don't change them, and you click on the finish. Now that summary test is up there, you use your own name, and then here you can actually add a new device, and this device will be, in actual scenario, will be your PLC. For in this case it is simulation, so I'm just going to call it simulation, and then I just put something that I can easily CTRL 2001. Just put a name. When I open it, I can find it easily. Most of them you leave them as default, and you just keep pressing next until you finish that. Now here you can create tags, and tags will be the exact data which you are going to connect from GraphWorks. So I do this part quickly, and then I finish video and I start another video explaining how to actually use them on GraphWorks.